What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage. Today we're gonna do a totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday with the new Milwaukee undercarriage light. Is that what they call it? Underbody light kit. It is the 2126-21XC. 21XC meaning it is one battery, and that it comes with the XC 4.0 red lithium battery, which is awesome. This is gonna come with a charger that only charges M12 stuff. So past videos, I know, I said, I'll give away a charger. I gave away like 8 chargers. Follow me on Instagram, DM me. If you're one of the first guys, also subscribe to my channel. If you're one of the first people, I will send you the charger. Hit me up on there. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Go ahead and unbox this, but what I did want to mention too is if you guys are Milwaukee fans and you like their sockets, they're actually selling their sockets individually now, which is great, in the 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch sizes. So you can see here, the black ones here are metric, and the ones on the top are SAE standard. Same with kind of how they set up their wrenches, you know? These are all the standard ones, and these are all the metric ones in black. So what's really cool about this is you can get now some of the bigger sizes that they didn't offer in these smaller kits, like these little pull-out trays before, like in 3/8 or even in 1/2 inch. And then there's stuff that is replaceable too, so that's cool. Look at that nice little 3/8 situation going on there. Oh yeah, let's get back to it. This is not going to be a 2-minute long video, but that's okay because you guys are getting all the info here that you want to know. This thing does 1200 lumens, which is pretty great because it is going to be a dispersed beam, I'm pretty sure. Now, I will say I have a flashlight in my pocket, and this thing does 1,000 lumens, you know? I think this does 1,000 lumens. So, you know, as far as a lumen standpoint goes, there are more compact things that do put out higher outputs, but, you know, they get hot. They don't have a easily chargeable battery. I mean, it kind of does, but not really. All right, guys, here's that charger. As far as the unboxing goes, the box is very limited. Didn't come with a bag. Now, I don't really care because honestly, I get rid of the bags, but I don't know. Sometimes it's nice to get a little bit of a bag. So we do have the charger, and then we got this flexible lighting situation. Now, what's really cool is, let's see. So we got the XC 4.0 battery. We'll smash it in there, and then we'll see what we got for battery. Now, where is the trigger for this to turn it on? Okay, it's on the top right here. I'm gonna turn that on. 1, 2, 3 modes, okay? Now, what I was curious about is how this is gonna be on filming. This isn't an issue for most of you guys, but I'm wondering if it's gonna mess with my shutter. And actually, it looks a lot better than the underhood light as far as the frequency of light output that this thing's putting out. So that's cool. For me, something you guys won't really worry about though. It is very flexible. It articulates like this, and the bottom also articulates like that. Now, you might be saying, okay, well, it's just a flashlight. If you guys go by the same stupid clock that I go by, it's daylight savings time right now, or maybe it is, or maybe it isn't. All I know is it's dark out way too early, and now we need lighting solutions to work on the stuff outside, because it gets to be like 4:30, 5 o'clock, and literally we don't want to do anything because we can't see that it's light, and all we want to do is go to sleep, but then we remember it's only 5 o'clock, so maybe we need to do some work. All right, so under here we got some magnets, which is very nice, and I'll show you why in a second here. And then this whole center section here is a magnet, which is cool because you can throw on things like sockets, maybe a ratchet. Let's see if that falls off. Good to go there. Oh. So, you know, pretty powerful. Oh, scratched my ratchet. Oh my goodness. But, you know, if we got a pretty solid situation going on there, I mean, it hasn't fallen yet, so that's pretty good there. Let's see, an extension, you know, longer extension going on there. That's awesome. So you could throw your bolts on here, you could throw your sockets on here, and everything like that. But let's look at it under the car because that's where it really shines. All right, so if you missed the video on the ramps going on, check that out. But look at this. Look at that. If you missed the race ramp video, make sure to check that out. Let's pop underneath the car. Now I got so much room for activities under here, which is cool. So we can see right now it's daytime. So, you know, the advantage of this is limited at the moment because I can pretty much see everything under here. Now, your car is probably not as tubular as my car because M4 things and M dynamics, but you can see that I found there's a lot of aluminum under my car just cause it does cool things like that. But you can see, you know, I can put it off an exhaust hanger, I could put it off the subframe right there, I can articulate things, and we can find, you know, different spots to mount the light to, which is pretty cool. Look at that. And then we can put it all sorts of directions. You can also just lay it on the ground like normal, some little situation going on there, and point it at what you want to point it at. I'm into that. I'm very, very into that. Let's see. The unibody of the car. So this is a unibody, and I got it stuck on the unibody, and look at that. I can kind of have it right up in this area, and it works out pretty well. Guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. There it is, right there, the new tool from Milwaukee Tool. Super cool if you guys work on automotive stuff. You know, honestly, even better than that, like anything you have metal, if you're an electrician, you can put this on a sub panel, right? You can put this on anything metal in a electrical room or whatever. HVAC guys can mount it on the front of their cabinets for VFDs or whatever the heck they got going on their control units and all that stuff. So overall, it is a pretty cool tool here. I'm gonna recommend this to you guys right now. I mean, to me, it looks like what could go wrong with this. I've been super happy with their under hood light. I've been super happy with their spotlight. So, I mean, looks like good things to come from Milwaukee. Thanks a lot, guys. So we will talk to you soon. Later, and wrench on!